This is the rice cooker?
Emma?
Yeah?
Me? Oh, wait, banana! Hi everyone! Today my friends and I are gonna play blind, deaf, and mute baking challenge. Except we don't have a kitchen, so we're gonna do it in a lounge. So since we have 5 people, we're gonna split it into 2 groups. The first group is gonna do the first half of the procedure, and then the second group is gonna do the second half of the procedure. And we're gonna be baking chocolate chip cookies in a rice cooker. Hi, I'm Yuwa. I'm in group 1 and I'm gonna be mute.
Hi, I'm in group 2 and I think I'm gonna be blind.
Hi, I'm Tara. I'm group 1 and I'm blind.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Amelia. And?
Okay, let's start!
Hello!
Are we going first? Are we going first? Okay.
Let's get down.
Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah? Two claps for yes, 1 clap for no. Look at this camera. This is... The fuck is this? This is some mush. I don't know what it is. This is an egg. This is an egg somehow.
There's an egg shortage right now, so there's probably not that many eggs. So
This is what we got. Here's some butter that she stole from the DC. Yeah? Okay. And this is the ingredients. So we need to heat oven as directed below. Stir the cookie. No, we don't have an oven. Yeah, we. Okay. Stir the cookie mix, soften butter and egg in a medium bowl until dough forms. Drop dough 2.5 inches apart on ungreased cookie sheet. Bake as directed below or until edges are golden brown. Cool 2 minutes before removing from cookie sheet. And we don't have an oven, but we have a rice cooker.
Okay. Wait, can you repeat? Okay.
We're putting it in the bowl.
Okay, just put it in.
I feel like I'm screaming right now.
Oh wait, I forgot Erla
Okay.
can't hear me. Yeah?
Can I help her or can I not? Yeah? Okay. The bowl. You're good. Just put it in. Okay, that's a lot. Hi. Oh, we're putting in the weird egg now. That's not an egg. Don't put it in her hand. We're putting it in her hand? We're not putting it in her hand. Move, Tiara. Miwa's putting the egg in the batter. Miwa, how is that an egg?
It's a substitute. It's like the flaxseed substitute. Oh wait, she can hear me.
She's stirring it.
Flaxseed!
what?
Did you add the softened butter? How do we soften the butter?
Okay, no.
I think we need to use a microwave to soften the butter.
Butter. We put softened butter in now.
No, use the
And egg in a medium bowl until dough forms. Yeah. Okay.
What is this?
I'm gonna go.
Guys, you're
Wait, it works.
Tiara.
Yeah?
The butter's right here. The bowl's right here.
Okay. Okay.
Just open the butter. Okay.
Well, if the butter needs to be
That's a way to open butter.
Or you can just put it in your pockets for like a couple of
Okay, Tiara, that's butter.
That's a good idea.
Or you do both. You put it in your pockets.
You got it? No, okay, I'll hold the bowl.
I'm gonna throw up.
Period. Just
Maximum intelligence.
squeeze it in there.
Wait.
Okay, Miwa, period.
The hair dryer is actually a pretty good idea for tomorrow.
Where is
So
it?
you're not there, but you're almost
So
there. Period. Okay, a little more, a little more. A little more. Okay, shake it.
See, I
No,
got it.
don't touch it, Tiara. Just shake it. Shake it harder.
It's that power stick over there. And then wait till it gets hot, and then you put the butter on top of the power.
Nice.
Oh, we made it in. Never mind. Okay. You did a good job.
Okay, can I go? Oh wait. Can I go?
More butter? What?
Can I go?
Can she go? Miwa? No. No. Stay where you are. More butter? You want to do that again? Oh. Okay. Okay, Tiara, take 2.
Okay.
Feel for the seams.
Okay.
And just peel it, I guess. Okay, maybe unwrap it. Oh. Hold on.
I don't want to touch the butter. Am I done?
Oh.
Am I done?
No!
Okay.
There's more butter still.
You're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. Hello? Hello?
But you keep going. Okay, period. Okay. Maybe rub it against the edge of the bowl. Oh, okay. Yes, okay. Oh, shake it, Tiara. Shake the butter. Oh. Yay, okay. Oh.
Okay, should we switch? Switch.
Squish it?
What? What are we doing? Oh.
Yeah!
Oh, Emma. Yeah. You gotta mix it with my hand. No. There's a spoon. It's like a yogurtland spoon, bro. Thank you. Yo, just mix. Alright, gotcha. Oh, wait.
Is this your guys's?
Yeah. Okay, there.
Should use it to.
Go like all around. Yeah. All in it, bro.
Oh.
And you're waiting for. It's a part of soul. Oh, you're good. All good? Stop. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we got that. Okay. Going on. My life still goes on. You mix this. Yo, you can sit down. You got it. I didn't even realize there was tape over your mouth to begin with. Yo, this beat's fire. Wow. Do we just slowly mix it in? Okay, I got that. Two at a time. Keep going. Yeah. Get in there. Wait. Let me like redirect you to like get more of it, you know? Wait, Mila,
Okay,
say
go.
if I have to mix slowly. Say if it's
stupid Cupid.
fast. Wait, tap me twice if I have to go faster. Tap me twice if I have to go faster. Tap me once if I have to go slower. Slower?
Gonna get me crazy, blame it on stupid Cupid.
What am I doing?
Oh, you're mixing.
What?
Why? I don't know why you're mixing.
What am I mixing?
Why are you mixing?
What am I mixing? What am I mixing?
What are you mixing? It's the powdery stuff with the butter. But we gotta keep going, right? Keep doing it. Like do more.
What?
No, she's saying, how can we plug it in to get the shit in? No, that's not what she's saying.
I mean,
Wait, can I add more? Can I add more? Oh! Okay, what you're gonna do, honey? Let's like, is there a chair? Can we have the chair? Oh, actually, we're good.
Oh man.
Okay, this goes in here. Very little. Okay, you're gonna go above here. They're slightly tilted.
Slightly tilt, keep going, keep going, keep going. In here? Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
Oh God. More? Do I put more of this? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. More? Okay, you're gonna mix in here. More to your, yep, all around, yeah. Yeah, mix it. Okay, wait. Big flows. Faux show, nice off. Faux show. The rest? Very little. Okay, you're gonna like fold it. You're gonna fold it in. Like, okay, I'm gonna do it with you. Together.
Am I folding it?
But like, no, like this. You're gonna go like this, and you're gonna fold it.
Huh?
No? Good, right?
Oh.
Yeah, oh, careful. Okay, now we're gonna mix it again. Slowly. Mix slowly. I think this looks too grainy.
Can we add more water or something?
I don't wanna waste. 5. Fast. 5. Big rainbows.
Am I doing this right? Yeah.
Good. Emma. Good.
I'm doing a
She's
good
giving
job.
you positive validation for your work.
I love that. Thank you. It's my birthday present.
Wait. You gotta get the bottom part too, you know?
Oh, I'm missing.
Like you're just mixing the top part, you gotta get the bottom. Yo, Loki, I think we need more like butter or something. Oh, there's no more, huh? I'm about to raise the roof.
This is the rice cooker?
Emma?
Yeah?
Me? Oh, whip it, Nene! Whip! Nene!
Up this mountain.
Just
We gonna take a
whip!
break.
Watch me waiting.
Oh, yes.
Don't worry, there's always time.
Me? Ocean?
Can I get the rest off? You're gonna close the cap.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Wait. Bring it back. Bring it back. Give it back. Yeah.
Get the camera, Emma.
I don't trust myself with that one.
Yo, how is this gonna cook? Wait, I'm gonna skip this song.
Okay.
Wait, let me find a good song.
Okay.
Bruce Lee, shimmy, whoop, yeah. Na, new things, shimmy, wah, new things.
It's literally like, it's like,
Do you have a candle?
no, we don't have a
I
camera.
Guys, I
don't.
got this. Turn the lights off.
Guys, this is delicious actually.
Thank you! Oh my god, it is really good.
Bruce, have a happy birthday
Blindfold.
Headphone and blindfold, and then Hudson's gonna be mute.
Okay, Hudson, mute. Can you hear?
Nope.
Okay.
Why is he losing all of his senses right now?
Okay. Nope. Why you keep touching me, bro?
Can you spin?
Yeah.
Wait, you can hear.
Stop! Volume more.
Hello.
Wait, you can't hear either.
Come back!
Come back!
Come back! Don't touch the trash.
Wrong way!
No, 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 no.
What's your right?
Other way.
What are you doing?
Left, Hudson.
Straight in front of you. Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. There we go.
You're almost there. You're so close, Ernest.
Eat this. Eat this. Eat this. Hudson. Eat.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you know.
I just didn't want to do it.
Turn around.
Walk in front of you. Walk.
Can we get a taste test, Hudson?
Ernest,
Closest to you.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.